अभी ज्वाइन हुए हैं, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ स्लिम थाइज वर्कआउट. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू डू बेसिकली अ लोअर बॉडी फोकस वर्कआउट. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वार्म अप नाउ. ओके, a little bit for the neck. Just release it. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and change. Side to side. Turn your neck as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and change. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and change. Let's go. 1, 2, lift your heels. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and change. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and change. Okay, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Change. Touch your toes and swing your hips forward. 1, swing. 2, swing. 3, go forward. 4, keep going. 5, keep going. 6, go. 7, go. 8, go. 9, and last one, and change. All right, let's open up our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, reverse. Change. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and change. All right. Feet apart, touch, okay, and feel that stretch in the inside of your thighs. Okay, थोड़ा सा हम elbows को इस तरह से करेंगे. Hand swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and change. Okay, keep your hands on one knee. Okay, और एक साइड में थोड़ा सा हम लोग बेंड करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Pull up your knees. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's get going. 30 seconds में हम लोग start करेंगे. A little bit for the ankles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. थोड़ा open up करिए. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we have 45 seconds of work time, 10 seconds of rest time to switch to the next exercise, and we have lots of exercises. Okay, you are going to walk out of here with absolutely slim thighs. Okay, let's get started. हम लोग अभी शुरू करेंगे. First one is high knee march. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Activate. 1, 2. Keep going. Very nice. Nice. Move your hands. Move your hands. And your feet, of course. Keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Keep going. Come on. Last 5 seconds now. And stop. Next one is going to be good morning and side knee. Okay? So this is going to be good morning, up and side knee. Okay? So good morning, up, side knee. Good morning, up, the other knee. Good morning, up, side knee. ये good morning करते समय hamstrings पे थोड़ा सा strain आना चाहिए. Okay? Your hamstrings need to be straight. Come on. Up, side knee. Very good. नीचे bend down नहीं करना है. You keep your back arched. Stick your chin out and up. Stick your chin out and up. Chin out and up. Stick your chin out, up and up. Perfect. Next one now is going to be back step and front leg lift. Okay? Back step का मतलब है थोड़ा सा पैर पीछे लेना है and up. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Back step. 4. Back step. 5. Back step. 6. Keep going. Keep going. We're going to switch in some time, but till that time, keep going. Keep going. Wow. Wow. And switch. Other side. Go. Go. Keep going. Come on. Switch. Switch. Nice. 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 Keep going. And stop. Alright. Next one now is wide squat with pulse. Alright. So wide squat रखना है आपको. Legs are going to be apart. Go down. Hips को आपको knee line के नीचे लेना है. Pulse. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Priyanka, come on. Good job. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3 and up. Very good. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3 and up. Perfect. Next one is going to be a side lunge. Okay, so पैरों को ऐसा रखना है. We are going to go on one side, up, and then on the other side. Push your hips back. Push your hips back, up. Hips back, up. Hips back, up. Very good. Hips back, up. जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं, उतना कोशिश करिए. Come on. Make your thigh bone parallel to the floor. Okay? Very nice. Very good. Amit, good job. Come up, completely come up, and then go down on the other side. सीधा होइए, and then go down. Come up, go down. Come up, go down. Nice one. Keep going. Super. Nice. Wow. And stop. Next one is going to be the RDL. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We are going to keep one leg forward, the other leg down. Just go down, touch the floor. Come on. Go. 1. Keep one leg absolutely straight. 2. And then we're going to switch in sometime. Come on, keep going. Up. Up. ये जो पैर है एकदम सीधा रखना है. Come on. Super. And switch. Let's go. Other leg. पूरा स्ट्रेट नीचे जाना है एंड अप, स्ट्रेट डाउन, अप, स्ट्रेट डाउन, अप, स्ट्रेट डाउन, अप, straight down, up. Very good. Come on. Come on. And stop. Perfect. Next one we are going to do is the inner. We are going to do the back lunge. Alternate. So stand straight. Go back. Lunge. And come on. Back. Lunge. Come on. Back. 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 Come on. Very good. Keep going, my friends. Come on. Rucha, we need to adjust the music a little bit. Made break ho rahe. Keep going. Different apna hai kya? Oh. Okay. Nahi kar. Chalu. Tikadna button se chalu side. Side की button चालू करें. And done. Perfect. Perfect. Next one we are going to do is the inner thigh squeeze. So आपको ऐसे रखने हैं पैर, चार्ली चैपलिन की तरह, okay? And we are going to go down and come up. Down, come up. Down, come up. Keep your legs as touch to each other as possible. अगर आपकी heels को touch कर सके आप, fantastic. Very good. Super. Down, up. Don't lift your heels. आपको heels को उठाना नहीं है. बिना heels को उठाए जितना आप कर सकते हैं उतना ही आप करिए. Come on. Nice. Nice. Keep going. This is the inner thigh squeeze. Very good. Keep going. Super. Awesome. Very good, Vasudha. Good job. Come on. इसके बाद में we are going to do the curtsy lunge, alternate, okay? Take your leg back and pulse. Bring it forward, pulse. एक बार dip करना है, फिर pulse करना है और फिर ऊपर आना है. Come on, down, pulse and up. Down, pulse and up. Down, pulse and up. Down, pulse and up. Down, pulse, and up. Keep your hands out. Pulse, and up. Down, pulse, up. Down, pulse, up. Down, pulse, up. Down, pulse. Very good. And up. Very nice. Next one is going to be the front to side leg lift. Alternate, okay? So we are going to lift our leg front and side. Alright, let's go. Front, side, front, side. Don't touch your heels. सिर्फ toes को हल्का touch करना है और leg को ऊपर लेते समय don't bend your knees. Keep your toes pulled towards you. Very good. We'll switch in 3 seconds and switch. Come on. Up. Side, up, side, up, side. अगर आपका बहुत बैलेंस जा रहा है तो आप सहारा लीजिए. Otherwise, this is a good core workout as well. Very good. Side and done. Next one is the bird dog lift. So what we are going to do? Keep our feet this way and go in this position. Come back. Go in this position. Come back. Alternate feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Keep going. Wow. Keep going. We are also working the glutes slightly, but ठीक है, no problem. Keep going. Very good. And stop. Perfect. Next one is going to be the frog squat. Okay, this is an interesting squat. आपको स्क्वाट पोजीशन में रहना है, हाथों को नीचे रखना है, गो डाउन एंड स्ट्रेटन अप, गो डाउन स्ट्रेटन अप, गो डाउन स्ट्रेटन अप, गो डाउन स्ट्रेटन अप, वेरी गुड, गो डाउन स्ट्रेट, गो डाउन स्ट्रेट। करते समय आपको पूरे अपने लेग्स जो है उनको एकदम सीधा करना है, गो डाउन इन फुल स्क्वाट, कम अप, go down in full squat, come up, down in squat, and up, down in squat, and up, down in squat, up, come on, keep going, last 5 seconds, with me, come on, don't quit, and stop. Next one now is going to be the donkey kicks, everybody down on the floor, down on the floor, alternate करेंगे, let's go. So first with the right leg only, come on, let's go. 1, 2, kick the ceiling. आपकी जो heel है उससे आपको ceiling को touch करने की कोशिश करनी है, come on. 1, 2, keep your weight in the hands and don't look down, look straight. Wow, keep going. Wow. Keep going. Come on there. Come on there. Push. 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 And stop. We're going to do the same on the other side. दूसरे पैर से भी सेम करना है. वेट आपको हाथ पे रखना है, पैरों के ऊपर वेट मत लीजिए, हाथ के ऊपर. Come on. Push. Keep your legs free, so that they can take the load. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Awesome. 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 Very nice. Very nice. It's a 90 degree profile. Push करके. Yes. I straight गेला बरोबर. थोड़ा सा straight. Come on. Wow. 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 Okay. Does anybody know where does the glute end and where does the thighs begin? Okay? Nobody knows that. So let's go. Glute bridge. Come on. Down on the floor. Down on the floor. Okay, down on the floor. And glute bridge and down. अब down जब करेंगे, don't touch your heel. Don't touch your waist. Down. Okay? Down. Down. Now we are going to do this for the hamstrings. So इसलिए पैरों को थोड़ा सा हम लंबा रखेंगे, थोड़ा सा दूर रखेंगे खुद से. Don't keep your feet very close to your body, otherwise it will activate your back. We are trying to do the hamstrings here. Very good. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Perfect. Next one is going to be the tabletop with knees apart. So इस तरह से रहना है अपने को. Okay? Come up in tabletop and just spread your knees this way and then come down. Up, spread and down. Up and down. थोड़ा सा पैरों को पास में रखेंगे so that it opens up our knees a little more. No, that's not helping. So normally रखिए. Yes. Full ऊपर आना है, सीधा करना है tabletop and then down. Up in tabletop and down. Up in tabletop and coming. Very good. Up in tabletop and coming. Up again and coming and done. Okay. Next one. आपको lie down ही करना है और हम क्या करेंगे? Keep your foot this way. नीचे का पैर ऐसे रखना है और नीचे का पैर आपको लिफ्ट करना है. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. इसको नीचे मत रखिए. 5, 6, 7. This is working the inner thighs. 8, 9, 10. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, keep going. Wow. Inner thighs are really speaking to me now. Come on. Wow. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. Wow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Let's do this on the other side. Come on, guys. Last 2 exercises of this set. Then you are going to get a full 1-minute break. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा सा उठाना है. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can rest a bit if you want. 5 seconds rest and come back again. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Wow. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Come on, last 5 seconds with me. Keep going. Keep going. Now we understand how weak these muscles are. Okay? So come on. Now abhi pura aapko letna hai. And we are going to keep our feet out, up this way. We are going to take them apart and bring them in. Take them apart, bring them in. Come on. Wow. We are working the inner thighs. आपको क्या करना है? Lower back जो है, उसको जमीन से contact बनाए रखना है. Don't lift your lower back. Lower back को आपको उठाना नहीं है. Come on. Lower back stays on the floor. Wow. Keep your feet as straight as possible. जितना आप अपने घुटनों को सीधा रख सके. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Wow. 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 Keep going. Wow. Wow. And stop. 60 seconds break. And we do this whole circuit once again. Come on, guys. Come on. कितने लोगों के पैरों का गिटार बज रहा है? ओके, सो इट इज रियली अमेजिंग. सो मच ऑफ लोड एंड स्ट्रेंथ. Rucha, can you increase the music volume slightly? All right. Okay. Chalo, jaldi. Come on. Let's get started. High knee march. This time we'll keep it up and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Come on. Let's go. Wow. Touch your elbows to your knees every time. Cross. Very good. Nice. Down. Next one is going to be a good morning and side knee up. Alright? Let's go. Good morning and side knee. One khali karu naka. Straight and side knee. Straight and keep looking forward. You should feel a stretch in the hamstrings. And out. Nice. You guys are already pro. Come on. Very good. Come on. Okay. Next one is back step. फ्रंट लेग लिफ्ट. ओके, तो अपने को क्या करना है, पीछे पैर को लेना है एंड लिफ्ट फॉरवर्ड. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो. कम ऑन, कीप गोइंग, कीप गोइंग, कीप गोइंग. We are going to switch in 8 seconds. So till then, keep going. Wow. Wow. And switch. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Awesome. Balance. Keep going. And stop. Perfect. Next one is going to be the wide squat pulse. Wide squats. Feet should be upward. Go down. 1, 2, 3, and up. Squeeze your glutes. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your glutes and come up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. Up. 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, and up. And 1, 2, 3, and up. Nice one. 1, 2, 3. Keep your back straight. Back straight. 3, and up. Nice one. 1, 2, 3, and up. And 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and up. Very good. Next one is going to be the side lunge. Okay? तो आपको लंच करना है, सीधे ऊपर आना है. Wait here half a second and then go down. Up, go down, up, go down, up, go down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Last 20 seconds. थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ाते हैं. चलो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't bend forward. Very good. Very good. Very good. And stop. Next one now. Coming up is going to be the B stance. Okay? So हम लोग ये दोनों legs पे separate करेंगे. So keep one leg back. एक लेग सीधा रखना है और सामने टच करके ऊपर आना है. ओके, कीप योर वेट इन द फ्रंट लेग एंड अप, टच, अप, टच, अप, टच, अप. डोंट बेंड डाउन. सामने वाला लेग बेंड नहीं करना है. सामने वाला लेग स्ट्रेट, फ्रंट लेग स्ट्रेट, एकदम टाइट रखना है. यू शुड फील अ नाइस पुल इन योर हैमस्ट्रिंग. वाओ. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on there. Keep going. Nice. Come on. Last 5 seconds. With me. With me. And stop. Other side. Come on. दूसरा पैर straight एकदम रखना है. And go down. Touch a little ahead. And come up. थोड़ा सा पैर के आगे touch करना है. And come up. Wow. Touch. Up. Knees is straight. Come on. Straight knees. थोड़ा पूरे reach out. Reach. Forward. Very good. Yes. Reach forward. Nice. Nice. The hips back. Push your hips back. Hamstring must stay here. Yes. Nice. Nice. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Wow. Nice one. Keep going with me. Super. And up. Nice one. Next one is going to be back lunge alternate. So सीधे चले रहना है and back lunge. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Come on. And stop. Perfect. Next one is the inner thigh squeeze. Stand like Charlie Chaplin. जितना आप पैरों को ऐसा कर सके उतना करिए. And go. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. अब ऊपर आते समय knees become straight. By the word again. Yes. जितना आप heels को close रखेंगे उतना inner thigh ज़्यादा work करेगा. Come on. Nice one, Nina. Come on. Keep going. एकदम पास में रखिए heels को. Come on. Come on. Wow. Keep going. Nice. 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 And stop. Let's go down a little bit. नीचे. And we're going to open up our thighs. So इस तरह से करना है. We're going to open up this thigh. Bring it down. Open up. Bring it down. Got it? Let's go. Open. Down. जब नीचे आप लाएंगे तो घुटने को जमीन पे नहीं देखना. Come on. Keep your weight in the hands. ताकि आपके legs जो है वो free हो जाएंगे. Open up. Open up. नी को एकदम waist line तक ऊपर ले जाना है. धीरे से नीचे ला. Fast up. Slow down. Fast up. Slow down. Fast up. Slow down. Come on. Come on. Wow. Fast up. And stop. Let's do it on the other side. पूरा वजन जो है वो हाथों पे रखना है. Nice. And go. Fast up. Slow down. Fast up. Fast up. Fast up. Fast. Come on. Look ahead, don't look down. सामने देखिए. Keep going. With me. 15 seconds more. Come on. Come on. Push it up. Slow down. Push it up. Slow down. Push it up. Slow down. Push it up. Okay. Perfect. Stay on the floor. This time. We're going to work the inner thighs a little differently. इस तरह से रखना है. And take one leg up and down. Up and down. Up, down. Keep your knees straight. Knee को एकदम सीधे रखना है. Come on. Wow. Up, down. Up, down. Down. Very good. Good one, Devangi. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. We're just working our side thighs. If at all there is any such thing. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Okay. Okay, on other side. Come on. Let's go. You can even keep this leg bent extended. If you feel that is giving you better support, this is also fine. Keep going. Wow. The side muscles are really weak, and that is why देखते ही देखते आपको बहुत थकान महसूस होती है. Because these muscles इनको हम लोग ज़्यादा वर्क नहीं देते. But that is why हमको जानबूझ के ये करना है. Come on. Come on. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep going. Let's go. Next one is curtsy lunge with pulse. Okay? इधर रहना है. Curtsy lunge and pulse. Up. Lunge. Pulse. Up. lunge, pulse, up, 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 pulse, up, pulse. Very good, Hemanta, come on. And up. Next one now coming up is the frog squat. Okay, तो पैरों को ऐसे रखना है. We're going to go down, keep your hands down. Down in squat and up. Down in squat, up. Down in squat and up. Don't lift your heels. Down in squat, up. Down, up. Down, up. पैरों को एकदम सीधा करें. Lock your knees every time you come. Down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Perfect. Next one. We'll keep our hands up and we're going to touch our toes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Keep your hands up, both of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. And stop. Next one now. इस तरह से रहना है. If you want, you can take an additional fold of the mat. ये रहना है. This way. We're going to go back and come up. जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं and up. Go back and straight up. Go back, straight up. Go back and up. Go back and up. Okay? Go back, up. Go back. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको hips को नीचे नहीं लेना है. Hips stay straight. Go back and come up. Back and up. Back and up. Back and up. Yes. Perfect. Next one now is going to be narrow squat. Last 2 exercises, my friend. Last 2. Narrow squats एकदम पैरों को पास में रखिए. Go down and up. Go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Nice. Very nice. Last exercise coming up. Do a little bit for the hamstrings. नीचे जाना है. And we are going to do the hamstring march. तो थोड़ा सा slightly कमर को up रखना है. And march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Last 8 seconds with me. And stop. Super. Good job, Thomas. Good job. Nice. Okay. Let's stretch now. Alright, let's switch the music. Let's go. पैरों को ऐसे spread out करके रखिए. This way. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to start walking ourselves out. Like this. Crawl forward, throughout. Keep these toes pointing outwards and keep pressing these knees down. Okay? Come on, crawl. 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 Keeping your back straight. Don't roll your back. Nice. Nice. Feel that stretch in the inner thighs. Wow. Wow. Nice. And up. Fold one leg this way. ऐसे fold करिए. हाथों को दोनों पैरों की साइड में रखिए इस तरह से. And just go down. Keep your chin sticking out. Nice. Feel that stretch. Feel that stretch. Wow. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Let's go. Other side. This way. See there. And go down. Wow. Stretch, 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 stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Nice one. Next one now is we do the quads. Take a fold of the mat if you want. एक पैर को ऐसे रखना है. And I'll show you with this leg. Okay? इस तरह से. Catch hold of this knee. This way. Okay? And pull. खुद की तरफ खींचिए. You should feel a good stretch in the quads over here. Come on. Focus on a point that is far away ताकि आपका balance नहीं जाए. Feel that stretch. Yes. And done. Now let's do it with the other leg. Pull. Pull. Wow. Feel that stretch. Feel that stretch. Come on. Come on now. Come on. And done. Very good. Stretch the inside of our thighs now. This way. Butterfly. Coming up. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. Seconds more and then we are going to stop. Pull your heels towards you. जितना आप अंदर खींच सके उतने heels को अंदर खींचिए. Come on. Come on. 10 more seconds. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Increase the amplitude. Come on. Let's go. And stop. Perfect. Lie down on the back. Okay. And keep your catch your feet from inside and just pull. Keep your lower back down and keep pulling your legs in. Wow. left knee next to your left palm. Left knee next to your left palm. Feel that pull. Nice. Feel that lovely pull. Very good. Very good. यहाँ पे आपको घुटने पर नहीं आना चाहिए strain. All the strain should come in the hips and on the thighs. Perfect. Okay. Let's go back. Touch your heels down once again. Stretch your calves. Stretch your calves. Very good. Now let's pull the left knee. Sorry, right knee next to the right. Come on. The other side. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Very good. Very good. Feel that stretch. Feel that stretch. Come on. All right. Come on. Let's take 3 cleansing breaths now. Everybody, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Join your hands, close your eyes. Say thank you for this opportunity. Rub your palms together. Create some heat. Place them over your closed eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Flash $1 million smile. And wish everybody good job, guys. Good job, guys. Good job. 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 Super. Awesome. Come close. Come close. सब लोग पास में आइए. Come on. Let's do our traditional selfie.